How to reduce the heat inside an HP laptop to prevent overheating. Your HP laptop might be overheating if it stops responding, displays an error message, or the computer fans become progressively louder. Follow these steps to help cool your device. Step 1. Clean the vents and inspect the fans. The most common cause of overheating is dust inside the computer. Dust accumulation restricts airflow and causes the fans to work harder. Follow these steps to clean the vents. Turn off the computer, and then disconnect the power cord. Find the vents on your laptop. They are usually underneath and on the sides of the computer. Note: some HP laptops do not have vents. Skip to the next step if you cannot find any vents. Use canned air to remove the dust from the vents to improve airflow. Wait 10 minutes to allow the computer to cool down. Reconnect the power cord and then turn on the computer. Step 2. Increase efficiency to reduce heat. The computer works harder and generates more heat when multiple applications are open at the same time or while playing video games with intense graphics. One way to increase efficiency is to control app use on startup through Task Manager. Search for and open Task Manager. Then select More Details. Under the Startup tab, you can select and disable unused apps that open when your computer starts up. The following tips will also help improve computer efficiency. Close applications when you are done using them. Close the Internet browser when you are not using it. Lower the game resolution and decrease the graphics settings if the computer becomes warmer than usual while playing. Step 3. Use HP software to manage internal temperature. On select HP Envy and Spectre computers, you can use HP Command Center to manage the temperature inside your computer. In Windows, search for HP Command Center. If HP Command Center displays in the list, open it. From the Command Center menu, you can adjust your thermal settings, which will enhance your device's temperature efficiency. If HP Command Center does not display in the list, the feature is not available on your computer. Step 4. Update the BIOS. Your basic input-output system, or BIOS for short, is the firmware that helps your computer function normally. Over time, it can become out of date and needs to be updated. To download updates from HP's website, open your web browser and go to support.hp.com/drivers. Follow the on-screen instructions and input your device information to download and update the drivers and BIOS on the computer. Step 5. Test for hardware failures. Test the computer for any hardware failures that might cause overheating, such as the memory, processor, or graphics hardware. Most HP laptop computers come with diagnostic software to confirm hardware failures. HP PC Hardware Diagnostics for Windows comes pre-installed on new HP computers or can be downloaded from hp.com/go/techcenter/PCDiags. To open the utility in Windows, search for and select HP PC Hardware Diagnostics Windows. If prompted, click Yes to allow the application to make changes to your computer. Click System Tests. From this menu, you can run a System Fast Test and a System Extensive Test. HP recommends running a fast test first to quickly check the computer. Select System Fast Test and then click Run. The fast test begins and might take a few minutes to complete. Once the test is completed, you will return to the System Test screen and the tests display as passed or failed. To obtain even more information, you can run the extensive test, which provides you with more detail regarding the condition of your hardware. Step 6. Contact HP Customer Support. If all of the steps in this video did not resolve the issue, or you received a hardware failure in the previous step, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com for warranty and service options. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.